Hey, it's Lauren. So today we're going to talk about the new Lisa Eldridge liquid Lurex eyeshadows. They are these cream liquid eyeshadows, and look at that metallic color. It's so cool. So there are 5 shades of these total, and they are $27. These are described as being lightweight, buildable, and so my personal experience with them, those are both true. And I find that these don't crease by the end of the day, which is really, really nice. And they're super easy to use. So I got the shade Lauren. Yeah, but it's okay. It's a beautiful gold shade, and I don't have anything quite like this. So these you can use either a brush or your fingers to apply. Look at that color. It's so beautiful. They have this kind of like wet shine finish, and they blend super easily. I also really like that these kind of give you some time to work with them before they just completely set. But once they do, they're pretty budge proof. Look how beautiful that is. So I have found both with a brush and my fingers, these are super easy to work with. I find that with a brush, I get a bit more pigmentation when I apply this compared to my fingers. My fingers, I feel like it's easier to kind of buff it out, smooth it out a little bit. Look how beautiful that is. They're so, so pretty. Let me do this other eye. I picked this shade because I knew that it would be a really great one and done shade. And I like gold with my eyes, but I didn't have like a true gold like this. I have a lot of like champagne type colors. So this was kind of a fun addition to my collection. Beautiful for the holidays though. I do think there is something kind of interesting and noteworthy though about these. So I feel like a lot of times liquid eyeshadows, cream eyeshadows tend to be very long wearing. And I do find this to be long wearing except for when you put water on it. These come off very easily. So I'm going to do a little demo here. We'll put some on my hand. I'll actually show you here what it's like to buff out with your fingers. The great thing about these is, say you wanted just a very light wash of shimmer, you could definitely just put a little on your finger and kind of like quickly rub it all over your lid to get that glimmer. But if you really want kind of that metallic wet look with these, you can really lay it on thick and blend it out. But okay, so I'm gonna let this dry, and then I'm gonna show you in water. It comes off like that, like it's so fast. And I just thought that was really interesting because a lot of my other liquid eyeshadows don't do that. Okay, so while that was drying on my hand, I put on a little bit of eyeliner and some mascara. So I want to show you what this does. Look how metallic that is. That is so cool. So here is the Lisa Eldridge, and then I also wanted to do a little bit of a comparison for the wear with like water with Violetta Far, the U Paint. So let me show you in this sink. So I let the water run on it for a minute, and then I kind of gently rubbed it with my finger, and it's almost gone. The U Paint from Violetta Far is like waterproof essentially compared to the Lisa Eldridge. So that's just something to keep in mind. If you're looking for something that is like really water resistant, waterproof, this is not it. But overall, my takeaway is that this is very long wearing, so long as it doesn't get wet. It doesn't crease. It has the most beautiful like metallic shine. I think that it's a really, really beautiful, cool product. Easy to use. I think a lot of times with liquid shadows, people kind of struggle with them. But this is super user friendly. It's, as you saw, it took me 2 seconds to like blend it out, and I've got this like beautiful gold metallic foiled eye look. I'll be very honest and say I love it. I have had such wonderful experiences with all of Lisa Eldridge's products. I'm actually wearing a lot of her other products today. I'm wearing the Seamless Skin Foundation in shade 10. I've got on the Velvet Blush Lightly lipstick. I've got on Pink Poetry Enlivening Blush. I really just love her products in general. I've found the quality to be just absolutely superb. Very luxury, upscale, just really a delight to use, and I always get excited to put her products on. So very, very happy with the liquid Lurex. There's some other shades that I'm interested in, and I'm excited to see what other shades they'll add as they continue to expand. So I hope that this has been a helpful review tutorial. If you enjoyed this, please make sure to give it a little thumbs up. It does help other people find my channel. And if you like this kind of content, these little bite-sized reviews, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I love doing these. I love sharing things that I get excited about with you all. So thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.